Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys that have a Fiat 500 and you need to find where the fuse for the AC clutch is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that today. If your AC does not work, there could be multiple things. We have a special video that explains why AC does not work on Fiat 500. Check it out, it will teach you about that. It will teach you also, we'll have a video how to recharge the AC system, how to replace AC condensers, all that will be on the video. When checking the fuse for the AC clutch, it's super important to test it, not to just look at it, because looking at it you may think it's a good fuse, put it back in, you have actually a bad fuse and you may end up spending time and money to fix your problem when all you had to do is replace the fuse, guys. And I will put a link to a special video that explains how to test an AC, how to test a car fuse in just a few seconds. Check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So I'm going to go ahead, open the hood on that Fiat 500. Specifically we have an Abarth edition, but even if you have an Abarth it will work as well. Next to the car battery is where the main fuse box is located, right here. You can see car battery fuse box. We have one more fuse box inside the car. If you want to know where it's located, we will guys have the video on the channel where the fuse is located on Fiat 500. When you remove that bolt, you can pull the box up, okay, and you remove the lid and get to the fuses and relays. If you guys are looking, okay, how to recharge the AC system or a good recharging kit, I will put the link in the description of the video below, and we'll have the video on the channel that will teach you how to recharge AC system as well. So with that being said, guys, okay, which fuse now we need to check? If you come right here, okay, you can see you have the fuse numbers. Bad news, good news, they're printed here. Bad news, they're not in order and they don't tell you what it's for. But that first fuse, guys, right here, F19, F19, this 7.5 amp fuse, that's your AC clutch fuse. That's the one that you need to check. Sometimes it's unclear if it's burned or bad looking through it, so always test them, guys. Check out the video that will teach you how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.